So we are 6 months into owning the garage. We've slowed down on the videos, but we're going to ramp it up, do a lot more videos. We've got a lot of stuff happening. So this top office is all fully fitted out. We're using this day-to-day basis. This one's done. We just need to screw a few sockets to the wall, get a bit of furniture in here. But we don't really need it. It's just a spare room at the moment, so we're not really panicking with that. It's Tuesday today, so we've got the ramps being removed. We've sold the 2 old 2-post lifts. They're literally going to be here any minute to come and grab them. So we'll film that and show you how easy that is to get rid of them. So that ramp's going, that ramp's going. This ramp is being fitted, due to be fitted tomorrow, but they're moving it to Thursday now. I haven't even looked in the box yet. You can't really see in there, but I'll give you a quick tour of the garage anyway, where we're up to. Had the car park, had all this put on, so people can actually see where they're supposed to park now. Then new signage, the van's been rebranded, so we've got both sites on there as well now. We still want to change it. I want to add Bromsgrove and 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 onto there, like little sort of changes, but it's an improvement, isn't it? I'll show you the office. Come and see the office. This is new reception sign. This was fully frosted off. We had more frosting, but we've ripped it off because when you're sat in there, you just felt like you were sat in a little prison. You're right, this is Amin, our new man. Yeah, so the office is all refurbished now. Follow us through into the workshop. It's not in full capacity yet, obviously. Staff-wise, we still need more staff, but we're waiting until the new ramps are in. So this morning we sold both our 2-post lifts, £400 each. The lads are collecting them now, so come and check it out. Driven up from Brighton, so they're setting up a new garage. So this one's going and that one's going. They've nearly stripped this one apart already. These are the first lifts going in there, or you got something?
Yeah, there was some in there beforehand, guys, that we got it off. They had 2 ramps in there. We want 2 posts and a 4-tonner as well, so we're working on tracks.
The thing I like with these is them kick out as well, so you can open the doors on them. Sorted. So the lads have just driven off. They've got a 4-hour drive back to Brighton. They've took the ramps. It went really well. There's a couple of bolts set to chop into the frame to chop the bolts off. You can see there's some studs that need chopping off. So that's our next job, chop the studs off and have a good clean up. Also, we are thinking the ramp where it is positioned, we're thinking bring the ramp forward, because you can see on that beam up there, some cars, before we had the garage, some cars have hit that beam because of the, there's just no way around it. Unless you stop the ramp, early, you can damage the car. So we're thinking pull the ramp forward, it will stop that damage from happening. There's still plenty of space at the front because we've got this little alcove where we can chuck the toolboxes, and that'll be a bit more secure as well. This side, the ramp's gone as well. This is all redundant, that's just a bit of old tube that was holding the wiring up. This side, the floor slopes down. You probably can't see in the video, but the floor does slope down. So they've packed it and then used some like chemical resin or something under the ramp. So I'm hoping that will all just bolster off. So this side's going to be a scissor lift. Because the floor's not so good, we're putting a scissor lift on because the car's sat on it, so it can't go anywhere anyway. And where the floor's better, that side, that's going to be the 2-post lift. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll show the new lift going in. We've got Midland Garage Services. They've supplied the 2 2-post lifts. So they're here this morning, fitting them Just unboxing at the moment. Looks really nice, doesn't it?
What's that coming?
Yeah, skip the easy bit, or the hard bit.
No, it's alright, we've still got to lift those.
Further forward the better, ideally, but I suppose it can't encroach on the MET bay, can it?
So that might your lift there.
There's loads of space to walk through this one. It'd only be if we came your way a bit with this a touch. Because walking through this one, look, with its shoulders easy. Whereas this one, to walk through, you have to walk through sideways. I don't know. I'm quite a big guy though, I go to the gym and that, don't I, so. It looks built now, like you say, it's just the finishing touches. The legs, just drop the legs on, bolt it down. Get the electrician to come and wire it up. What oil do you use if we have to do it, or just wait and let you do it when it's serviced?
I mean, anything's better than... We get some like real thick stuff, like treacle.
Done and dusted. Thank you to EAE. They've sorted us out some new scissor lifts. The lads have just landed, so come with us and check out the process with them being fitted. New ramp day today, so our EAE lift is going to be installed. We've got Dear now. They're with us at the moment, just installing it. All right. They're just measuring it out at the moment, and then we're going to start banging it into position. I know what you mean, instead of the one. Yeah. We just tried to get it as forward as we can to miss that beam, that's all. But then obviously you need space to do your job and walk past and stuff, don't you? Yeah, of course, yeah, I'll come on and give you a hand. You're obviously plumbing the hydraulics, just the electrics, we've got to get someone to physically... you know what, is it 3-phase or single phase? I thought it was 3-phase, but I only seen the 3 ones. Oh, it is, yeah, that sound. So I just need to get someone to connect the box up. Got the new ramp all fully fitted. This is the first car on the new ramp. Concrete man is here. Yeah, so behind me, these fields, we've just found out, I think there's about 4 fields here. We've just found out they've allocated it to build more houses. I live around here myself, like live in Bromsgrove, so the traffic is a nightmare, so it's not good for that. But from a business point of view, it's ideal because all these new customers right on the doorstep. So watch this space and see what happens. It's been a long time coming, this van. therapeutic, isn't it, watching or taking them off?
Yeah. When I started doing this job, I hated being watched.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
And then, like, no.
Suppose it helps having a bit of heat on them with them coming off.
Perfect weather, this is
Yeah.
stuff, innit?
Yeah, so we've had 2 new ramps fitted, so come with me and check them out. This is my favourite ramp, new scissor lift. You can see where the old ramp used to be from the frame. And the 2 posts we was going to replace it with would have been wider. So you can see how much that would have been a post before. That was the post. And when a car's on the ramp, the car's inset, so your car's there. So you've got all this working space. So yeah, it's really good. Yeah, I'll show you it working. It comes height-wise. It comes up to here, doesn't it? Yeah, this is just what you operate it from. So they give us the option of where to have it. We had to have it at the front of the car. So you have to look at the car as you're lowering the ramp. And to be fair to the lads who was fitting it, you'll see in the video, the trunking only come to there. So it would have run across there, and then there was a gap at the back. So they chopped an extra little bit there just so it's flush against the wall. So it's a nice little touch. But once it gets to a certain height, it stops for, so you don't whack your feet underneath. Then you do the final ascent. Just check there's nothing underneath it, and that's it. So the only problem we have had, so the first car that we got on was a really low car. So once you drive it on, because it's not recessed, the sill was quite close. So we're getting some longer versions of these. So we won't have that as an issue then. This is the second lift, the 2-post lift. But Simon's doing some new brakes on it.
Get out, you boy.
Nah, do it. Show it working.
There we go.
Look at
I love this smooth action.
that. We have moved it. You can see we've moved it forward. So you can see the dirt mark where the old one used to be. So that was the centre of the old ramp. So we've moved it forward probably 2 foot. So it is a bit tighter at the front, but for us, we did it because you can see the back of the car and see that beam. We've done it so it misses that beam. So it makes sense. Then going forward, this is another scissor lift that's been delivered. So this one, we plan on getting fitted over here because we don't have the space. And then we've got another 2-post lift being delivered here. But we're not sure now whether to bin that off and just get a scissor because we like the scissor ramps that much. These holes, we dug them out obviously to have recessed scissors, and that's all changed. So these are getting filled back in. So it's being filled with like a heavy duty, I think it's a C35 concrete, and then the last bit is going to be like, I think he called it like a render or something, a C40 as well. So it's really, really strong. We had a change of plans, so we cut them out because we was going to do the scissors, recessed. We changed our idea, so it's one of them, innit? We're getting these bits swapped. So we're going to rip a lot of this out. That's all scrap. That's going, that's scrap. That's scrap. It's just got stuff sat on it, and this is redundant now, so this whole trolley, that's scrap. Stay tuned. Next week, we're doing a full breakdown video of all the costs involved, setting up the garage, all the refurbishment costs. So if you can, give us a subscribe and comment below if you've got any thoughts.